Hey, Jeremiah, Steps Pressure Washing and More. We are actually going to be heading out to a few different places today. We're doing 3 gutter cleanouts ahead of a hurricane that's about to come through. So we're going to go out there. We're going to try and get it done before the rain starts today. I don't know if we're going to quite make it, but we'll see. I've got the 24 set up here on the truck. I'll show you a little bit about what we've got all in all. Bringing my leaf blower. I think everything's going to be pretty wet, but I'm bringing it just in case. I don't usually like to use it if we've got wet gutters. Of course, handy dandy bucket, our extender reach pole, and I have the attachments over in our lockbox, the 16-foot little giant, and just a little bit of a mess back here, but it'll all be coming in and out. Got our 4 gallon per minute dirt laser by Pressure Pro, and a mix tank here. We're going to be using all of that today, along with our 200 feet of pressure hose. And that's going to do it for my setup. So let's get out there, let's clean it out. We do have a house wash at the very end on the last house, so hopefully we're able to get in and get out before the rain starts, but I doubt it. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Gutter number 1 for the day is completely full and full of mud. So I'm going to clean out the bottom part, then pull the little giant up so I can get those up there. We're not going to be using the blower a whole lot today, just because of all the mud. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to blow all this little debris out, but this right here is actually 1 bucket full. So half of the back side first level is 1 bucket full. So we're going to be out here for a little bit. Alright, this is after coming through with the blower. Nice and clean. Alright, so I'm going to try and get the blowout of this on video. See what I can do here. Alright, so here we go. We are up on the front of the house on the first floor roof. I'm going to take a quick look up here. Looks pretty good. Maybe just bring the blower through on that top one. Maybe don't bring the ladder up. Right over here, front is clogged, but not nearly as packed as the back gutter was. And really, from this vantage point, we can see all of the gutters on the house, even the ones over the garage. Kind of get an idea of what we're looking at, what I need to set up for. Alright, so that's it for this one. I went through, cleaned every gutter out by hand, blew them all out, and did the ground cleanup. I've got my sign out in the yard, ready to roll. I'm going to go on over to the truck real quick, shoot them an invoice, some before and after pictures, then head off to job number 2. Yeehaw. Alright, out on job number 2 for the day. Doing more gutters. This one's not too bad in some areas. But in others you have plants growing out, so really just hit or miss of what's clogged up here. So I'm going to get these all flowing and get her done. Alright. Pokeberry. A whole bunch of limbs. Have to clean that up out of the grass. The limbs would not fit in here. Doing it all by hand today, and coming back behind with the blower to get the little bits. If it was drier today, I would just blow this out. But it is not. Not even close. Ah, there you go. Nice shingle. We're about halfway done with job number 2. And the first gutter we came across was completely empty. I said, hey, look at that. It's going to be an easy day. All the rest of them were clogged. So this one's not too bad. You see, this is why I like the gutter tool so much, is it has that kind of spoon on the front. Really pull it close. And then that post on the back to push under these gutter brackets. Yeah. That brings it to me. And I can clean it out by hand. It is hot and muggy and overcast and sweaty, and we just started getting a little bit of rain, so I'm pretty excited about that. I may end up having to do job number 3 completely in the rain, but at least we're not going to have a complete washout for the whole day. And again, we're not getting all of it this way, we're just getting the majority. We're going to come through with the blower and get all the small stuff. I would normally want to do all of this with the blower, but it's all wet and it's muddy, and I don't want to make a mess. It might be different if I was washing the house today, but I'm not. I've done that before. I have blown out some wet gutters, got the house covered in mud, then washed the house. But that won't be today. Alright, so we are on job number 3 right now. I'm in the middle of having a muscle cramp in my left arm. But we keep going. It's currently, we've got a rain ban from that hurricane right now. It is helping rinse these gutters. When we are done, we're going to be washing this house. Applying our 1% mix like usual. No surprises here. It's just cobwebs and algae. Lots of crud on the soffit, so I'm going to let them hang out a little extra long today. And it is cool and rainy, so I think we'll be alright to do so. You wash 2 sides, rinse 2 sides, wash 2 sides, rinse 2 sides. That's what I'm going for today. It's been a long one, I'll tell you. Gutters are not my favorite thing to do, but man, they do well as an add-on. Because everybody needs their gutters cleaned. And if you're going to be maintaining the exterior, it only makes sense to do both. Alright, so we are on final rinse. I came back and did this side one more time, so I'm going to be rinsing this side and finishing up with the front of the house, and then rolling up and heading home. The rain has lightened up quite a bit, but it has not stopped raining since I got here, so it's been pretty fun. It has actually cooled me off considerably from where I was earlier. The first half of the day kind of torched me a little bit, but I'm feeling pretty good now. So hopefully we've got a cold front coming. I don't have any work to do tomorrow. I pushed everything off the schedule because we've got a lot of wind. So all I got to do is finish this up, and I'm heading into my weekend. Alright, well, I'm all packed up and heading home. We're actually out pretty far in the country today. We're out in Benson. So I got to take this little gravel road out to get back to the main road and get home. But it was, all in all, it was a good day. It was a little wet, a little hot, got a little chilly. But I'm pretty excited to have gotten it done before the hurricane Idalia, I think it is, comes through this evening. So, well, I guess I didn't quite get it done before the hurricane started, but yeah. Alright, and that's how we got today's job. Put that sign out in about November. And I'll tell you what, I can't believe that sign's still there, but that's the one he called me from. He said, hey, I saw your sign, I need my house washed, I need my gutters cleaned. It says you do gutter cleaning and house washing. So I got him on the schedule. Well, anyway, I'm all done. I'm ready to go home. I'm going to get a hot shower, get into some dry clothes, and get some dinner. So you guys be safe out there.